Okay, guys, good morning. It's really cold this morning in Luang Prabang. So today I'm going to take you guys to see waterfall. So this waterfall named TAT. So before I go to a waterfall, I have to drive to this village called Ban An and park my motorbike over there and take a boat to get to a waterfall. Oh, train! Oh my goodness, look at that! Ooh, very long train. Oh, I am under the train bridge. Very big train bridge. Sabaydi! Sabaydi! Arriving at Ban An now. Right, An village. A school. They have quite nice roads. Village temple. Okay, before I get to the boat to go to the waterfall, I'm gonna show you the temple first. So I see it's quite cute temple. A naga, 3 heads. How big this Buddha is. Oh, look at this really big Buddha. I think it's good time to pray Buddha now because I can ask some wishes before New Year start, okay? We can ask wishes together. So I donate some money and now it's time to pick up the lucky pepper, okay? I'm gonna go choose the lucky one. Okay. At number 16, okay, let me check number 16. Here is number 16. I finished praying. I'm now ready to go to a waterfall. There is Nam Khan River. Oh, I haven't been here a long time. And look at the other side. So before I get to a waterfall, I have to buy ticket for a small boat, local boat, and board on a boat. To get to a waterfall, it will take around 20 minutes to get to a waterfall. So ต้องลงน้ำข้าเจ้านี่เนาะเพื่ออันนี้ที่ลงไปนะโอเค Okay, guys, I am walking here through a waterfall, but you know what? Something strange. So over here used to be a small hut that they're selling ticket to go to a waterfall, and now look, it's empty. The hut disappears, and it's nothing here. Nobody charge money, and I don't see tourists. I mean, I see some, but not a lot. So what happened with this waterfall? Oh my Buddha, what happened? So that means no ticket to come to this waterfall now? Really? I haven't been here almost 2 years. And another big surprise here is used to be a big restaurant and many shops selling clothes and food, and now look, oh, and over here it used to be a wooden bridge, you know, then so tourists can walk and see the waterfall. So I am 100% sure now this waterfall is 100% abandoned already. Here is used to be restaurants, and if you walk up to this stair you will see a big restaurant up there. Now all disappears, and here all used to have, you know, like a bamboo terrace, and tourists can walk and sit relaxing, and now everything was removed. It's nothing here, it's very empty. There's nothing left here, only trash and broken cement. Tourists swimming, and now not many people. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Snakes, very big snakes over there. Only one person swimming over there. It is what it is. I don't know the main reason, but at least I'll be able to show you guys today. It's still beautiful. I am alone in this waterfall. Everything look old. That means not many people come here. Well, I don't know what to say, and I don't know what happened, because I haven't been here for almost 2 years and everything changed. But waterfall still looks stunning. I'm not sure if they will rebuild again, or they will leave it like this alone, because now I don't see many tourists. Anyway guys, I'm going to go back to the town now. I can't explore more because no bridge. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.